and your fingers.
Hey honeys, welcome back. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell notification so that you'll know when I upload my next video. Tell a friend, tell that friend to tell a friend. Everybody subscribe, then y'all come back and see me, okay? So y'all, we are going to get started with this updated blowout video. I will be using my Revlon One-Step hair dryer. I had to look, y'all, to be sure, because I will mess up the name of something in a second. Okay, so I will be using my Revlon One-Step blow dryer. For this, I also am going to be using a new leave-in today, something that I haven't used before. So I'll be using the Mael pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. I'm also going to be using Silk Elements Mega Silk Olive Oil Heat Protection Heat Protection Spray. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using probably cool setting, maybe low. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get started. So I guess what I'll do is I'll do one half of my hair, this section, and then I'll do this one afterwards and show y'all. Alrighty. So I just kind of did like a finger coil on my hair to stretch it some, and then I'm going to put the blow dryer on there. I found that this helps my hair as far as stretching it and getting it dry pretty quickly without using too much heat or too much blow drying. So cool first. like it so much. Okay, so I have blow dried my hair with my Revlon One-Step Blow Dryer. This is the result. Now this is still a little poofy because I didn't put too much heat on my hair, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and get some shea butter, and I'm going to distribute the shea butter throughout my hair, mainly on the ends, and then I'm going to run the blow dryer through my hair one more time with heat to get a good stretch, and then I'm gonna take a look at my ends to see if there's anything that I need to take off. And as I was blow drying, I feel like the snip that I did from the twist that I had in a few weeks ago really did a great job with getting rid of any of the dead ends because my hair feels really good. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, I'm back. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and blow dried my hair with some heat to distribute that shea butter pretty evenly. So what I did was I just kind of parted my hair, put shea butter, I tried on all of my strands, and then blow dried it. And shea butter always really sleeks my hair out some. I don't ever want my hair bone straight because it's not what I'm trying to do. I'm doing this as far as looking at my ends to see how healthy they are and to see what parts need to go. So once I got done blow drying my hair with the shea butter, I was like, I'm a little shocked. I feel like cutting my hair in those twists was super beneficial for me as far as the straggly ends because my hair is pretty even. I don't really know how that happened, but it's pretty even. So let me let you guys take a look at it. I did bring my hair shears up here just in case I needed to take something off because the front of my hair is a different texture and it's looser. It generally hangs a lot lower than the sides and the back of it. So, well, the middle sides, not the front sides, but it hangs a little bit lower. So as I was blow drying my hair, or once I got done, I did realize that the front of my hair had maybe about ½ an inch of hair that was kind of hanging like this, you see? And I feel like that can just go. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys me taking this down so that you can see what I'm doing. So go ahead and take down my little hair. What do you call these? Pigtails. Take my little pigtails down. Oh my goodness. Look at this. My hair. Girl, you been taking care of this hair. Okay, so ooh, I need to get you guys down a little. Hang tight for a second. There we go. Okay, so here's the hair, and as you can see, look at this hair in the front. Oh, it's hanging down. Hanging down quite a bit. So I'm just gonna trim that off, and that's it. Because I don't need a whole trim, and it's kind of hard to comb my hair with all this shea butter in it, but it is what it is. So here we go. Literally, I had it parted like this. So I had it in 4 sections. So if this is the front section here, little light hair, and if I hold my hair up like this, I guess I can see that this part is kind of see-through here. So all of this literally could go. I'm just not sure if I'm going to cut it all off today. Okay, so let's look at the back piece. So this is the front, so this is the back. I'm going to bring all of this to the front. And I'm kind of stretching it out a little bit with my hand because it is trying to revert a little because it's a very hot day. And girl, I'm hot. Okay, so first I'm just kind of looking at it. Okay, so here we are. Look at this hair from the front, and that, I think this can go from the back section. So all of this is from the back section. Alrighty. So now we're going to get this front part, and I'm just going to even it up. That's all I'm going to do. So I'm going to put this part of my hair here with this part that I've already trimmed. So I'm just going to take it, pull it like I was pulling that piece, and I'm going to get this comb here, comb it all together Don't want to go. Ooh. Okay. Not that comb. Get this comb. Comb it all together now, because the back is in there, so I don't know where to go with the front. Okay. So we've got this. Take a look. Ooh, hair, get out the way. All right, I see it. It's up here. You see the density change? So this section here is much more dense than this, because these are the straggly ends. Well, they're not straggly, but these are the ends that I'm going to get rid of from this front portion of my hair to even my hair up. So I'm going to just comb it out a little. Let me do this one more time. Stretching it out with my hand one more time. Stretching it out with my hand. Going down this. Turn. And this is what I need to cut. All from here down. Okay. We're going to go here and cut. That was way more than I thought. That's the length of it. So as you can see, the cut is there, and this is the length of all of the hair. So this is the hair that's gone from one side. Not this little ball of hair, but this. That's what I cut away, and here it is there. See it? Now let's compare it to the other side. So this side has been cut. Oh my gosh, look at that. Comb right through those ends now. Give you a look at what it looks like from the back. All right. Now I'm about to do the other side. This side here. Oh, this is so full. It feels so good. Yes, honey. Yes. The first side in the back, the second side in the back. Okay, now we're just going to even up the front with this. Got to go. So this much hair is about an inch. Oh. See? That's about an inch of unstretched hair. So stretched, who knows how much, girl. So I'll do the same thing and show you the left side, right side. Left side and right side. So these are all the ends that I took off. Oh. Don't worry, this one's going to revert too. Okay, so this is it, y'all.
Naturalhair.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you catch up on my previous videos by watching my playlist. There's a lot to catch up on to see how we got here to this full head of hair. I have a playlist of all of the protective styles that I wore for the year 2019. Make sure that you check those out because that was definitely the start of my healthy hair journey, as far as being very diligent and very careful with my hair, making sure that my hair was hydrated and trimmed as it needed to be, and the result, it's great for me. I'm very pleased. I'm happy that I took the initiative to do this. So go ahead and catch up, girl. Go ahead and catch up, guys. Stay strong, stay well, stay balanced, stay faithful. You are loved, you are valued, you are needed. So I thank you again, wishing you all peace, love, and a whole lot of light. Bye.